Hello everyone, and welcome to Learntivity. As you may already know, cells are the basic unit of life. We are made up of cells, just like animals, plants, and even things as tiny as bacteria. Today we will be discussing two classes of cells. The prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Before we discuss the similarities and differences between the two, let's take a moment and look at each one separately, beginning with the prokaryotic cell. While you may instantly notice the prokaryotic cell does not have a nucleus, it does have a cell wall, a cell membrane, a see-through gel-like material called the cytoplasm, the blue squiggles representing DNA, and the red dots here represent the ribosomes. Then we have the long flagella. Now let's take a look at the eukaryotic cell. While you may have heard that plant cells and animal cells are both eukaryotic, they still do have some differences. While the plant cell has a cell wall like the prokaryotic cell, the animal cell does not. However, for today, we will show you the eukaryotic features in the animal cell. The eukaryotic cell has a nucleus. It also has a cell membrane, a cytoplasm, and many membrane-bound organelles such as the mitochondria, the endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi apparatus. Now that we've looked at each cell separately, I think it's time to compare and contrast the similarities and differences of the two cells.
Here are the listed features for both the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Let's take a look and figure out where the similarities are. As you can see, the ones in the green are the similarities. The cell membrane, cytoplasm, DNA, and ribosomes are all things that they have in common. While the nucleus and membrane-bounded organelles are only found in eukaryotic cells, the long flagella is commonly found in prokaryotic cells, and the cell wall is found in all prokaryotic cells, but is only found in limited eukaryotic cells, such as the plant cell. Not to mention that the eukaryotic cell is exceptionally larger than the prokaryotic. Now that you've learned the similarities and differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, it's your turn to put that knowledge to the test. Use the list of features we just discussed and categorize them in the proper locations on the Venn diagram. Pause the video and try it out. Alright learners, we'd like to thank you for joining us today, and we hope you've learned some valuable information. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. We'll see you soon, but until then, keep learning and stay creative.